What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be a different type of video. We actually have a little problem with Ruby. I heard this weird noise when I was driving, and I pulled over when I was in the drive-thru, and I popped the hood open. Sure enough, I saw that one of the pulleys was making noise. So these S197s are known for the water pump to fail. So mine lasted around 170,000 miles. It actually lasted pretty good times for the OEM pump. Full disclaimer, guys, this is my first time changing a water pump. This is a learning process for me. Should be easy though. I did YouTube some stuff, so let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, I ordered this from Rock Auto. I'll list the link in the description and the part number. Hopefully I got the right part. That's the part number, guys. OEM from Ford. So I heard they updated the pump to a 3-bolt, and it's supposed to last you forever longer. Supposed to solve the issues that the old one had. So this is the tube I was talking about. Different. Okay, so you see it's 3 bolts. Everything looks good. You don't need to apply sealant, as what I heard. It already comes with it. And it comes with instructions, whatnot. Alright guys, so I paid like $100, 120 for this. Comes with a gasket and an O-ring that you will place on the pump. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it, guys. This is not a how-to video, but let's hope that fixes the problem. First, we're gonna remove the cold air intake to get more room, to have more room to work on. Alright guys, once we remove the cold air intake, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the hoses so we don't spill that much coolant. Alright, we got the 4 bolts out. Alright, we got the pump out, or the thermostat, whatever it's called. Thermostat housing, we got it out. In order to get to the water pump, I tied it over here with a zip tie, all funky, but hopefully I get enough clearance to get the job done. Before we loosen up the belts, we're gonna loosen up the pulley bolts. Oh shit. Yeah, this just. Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. This one has 4 bolts, the old one. The new one has 3 bolts. It's supposed to be lighter. It has the upgraded hose. I'm gonna install that when I'm all done. And Let's go ahead and remove the pump itself now. It's actually pretty bad, guys. It was in bad conditions. Alright guys, this is a side to side comparison. So you guys can see. And this is the old one. That's what the back looks like of the old one. It's a circle. And this one. It's a triangle. So, different design. I think it looks cooler. Let's go ahead and install it, guys. I want to see her running again. Alright guys, so we got the new water pump on. We just need to install the rest of the stuff. So we already have the water pump installed, but we actually ran out of coolant, so I had to wait till the next day to go to AutoZone because they were closed. And I just bought their coolant already pre-diluted, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. Oh shit. I'll always be making a mess. Get on. Alright guys, I'm gonna start her up. Hopefully she doesn't blow. She sounds healthy. She sounds better than it did before. So yeah guys, the water pump did get rid of the noise. I'm happy. I just did overflow the coolant a little, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that, make sure it's not overflown. So yeah guys, pretty good, pretty happy with the install. That'll be it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like today's content, make sure to drop a like and leave a comment, guys, and I'll see you guys the next time.